mom has cancer. And I can't even look at her without thinking about her dying.
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn